Hello everyone, I am Chandan and I am with TT Consultants from 7 years. Currently I am working as Client Account Manager for Operations. Today I am going to brief a basic but very important topic, that is patent search and finding similar inventions. This will help you to have an idea of what patent search is, why we need it, what are the types, and how can one perform the same. So let's begin. A patent search, as the name suggests, is searching for patents in a particular domain or technology. Now, question is, under what scenarios one might need a patent search? Well, if you are thinking to secure your assets in any way, meaning you are entering the intellectual property domain, you will need patent search very often. First, for example, if a person has creative, non-obvious and novel idea that he feels to protect, he must file a patent to avoid others using the idea without his knowledge or permission. Later, one can also earn royalties based on that patent. Before filing a patent, a patentability search is required to be performed to identify already existing patents or other documents similar to the invention. Patentability search, sometimes also known as novelty search, is first step to be performed in a patent filing process to understand if an invention is patentable or not. It also determines how much different the invention is from already existing prior art, thus helping an inventor to understand if the invention already exists in the art or it is non-obvious, inventive and thus can be patented. Second, one needs patent search in invalidation cases. Patent invalidation or opposition search is performed to determine patent or non-patent documents challenging the novelty and inventiveness of a particular patent. The invalidation search gives protection to a first party involved in an infringement lawsuit, say defendant, by invalidating claims of patent of a second party that filed the lawsuit, say plaintiff. In simpler words, if a party is trying to kill a patent on the grounds of obviousness or non-inventiveness, they will go for invalidation search. In this search, we identify patent or non-patent documents before the filing date of the patent in question. Various laws as per jurisdictions must be taken into consideration while performing this invalidation search. For example, for US, there are 1 or 2 laws for deciding a prior art. Another similar scenario is validity search. This search is when a party is trying to check the validity of claims of a patent owned by them. This will help them to understand the strength of their own patent and how likely they can go and file a lawsuit without being actually invalidated. Thirdly, patent search is performed in the state of art and landscape searches. These searches help an inventor or a player interested in recent breakthroughs in a specific field to determine their future research strategies, shape their R&D and building a rich IP portfolio. Landscape search is a multi-step process of examining, organizing and extracting in-depth value from patents in a specific area. It consists of various references along with their analytics from which important technical, legal and business information can be extracted. For example, which enterprises are working in which area, gaining current awareness on a given technology, what technologies are being targeted, how are the technical problems being solved, gaps in technologies, where the patents are being filed, who are the key players, and much more. Last but not the least comes FTO search, that is, Freedom to Operate search. This search comes handy when you're thinking of launching a product into the market. To help you avoid infringing of patents, a thorough search is performed to identify patents with claims that could prevent you from manufacturing or selling a certain product or practicing a process in a specific jurisdiction. This helps to guide product design decisions and unveil design around technology. Also known as clearance search, this helps developers to develop non-infringing products, processes or technology concerning relevant patents from third parties. So these are some areas where we need patent search. Now the next question is, how to perform the patent search? Well, the answer is simple. There are many databases and platforms where one can perform patent search. For example, Google, Thomson Innovations, Orbit, and many more. At ETC, we also have our in-house tool XLSCOUT, where one can easily perform any of these searches by following few simple steps. To perform patent search, you can start by forming few search strings based on keywords extracted from technology area. One also use as many synonyms as possible to cover all the art in a particular field. Also, a combination of keywords is used to make different search strings and search strategies to fully cover the domain. Once you have a handful of art related to the technology, you can also extract relevant classifications, assignees, or other insights that you can use, or you can also use their combinations to get best prior arts. Also, one can check forward and backward citations of relevant arts found in the search. Now coming to the last segment, that is, who performs patent search? Now an individual can perform such search on their own, but it is best to have technical and legal experts in the area. And when it comes to best, TT Consultants is always there. We have highly qualified, experienced and dedicated team for performing these searches. Also, we have subscriptions to a number of proprietary patent and non-patent databases such as AI-enabled in-house scouting tool XLSCOUT, Thomson Innovations, Orbit, Padbase, Total Patents, IEEE, ACM Library and many more. Apart from these, our teams are well versed on Google Patents, Google Scholar, eSpace, USPTO and various jurisdiction-based databases across the world such as CNIPA, CIPO, etc. We offer services with minimum time to cover a technology domain. Depending on client needs, we provide various report types. That also includes searcher's comment with each prior art that makes the report very straightforward to interpret, understand and analyze. Hope this helped to have a better understanding of patent search and finding similar inventions. Contact us for further details. Thank you and have a nice day.